What's up, guys? It's ssnapcase. Thanks for tuning into my epic channel. Today, I have an iPhone 7 in matte black. The finish on this is just amazing. I love the finish. It looks so nice. I even like that little thing. But one thing that is not nice about this phone is the lack of a jack is a huge problem. What do you do when you're driving down the road? These are not just headphones. These are a hands-free device. A hands-free device. So now, how do you talk on the phone using your hands-free device and charge your phone at the same time? Because you know, after a year of using this thing, you're going to get about 15 minutes of talk time. Because Apple has proprietized every aspect of this phone. Every aspect. So, it's very simple to do this. To add a headphone jack, all you're going to do, tighten it down. Get it very, very tight until you hear the phone crunch. And then put a second clamp on there and tighten it down very, very tight. If it's covering over the camera and you smash the camera, it's really not an issue, because what we're after here is a headphone jack. That's all we want. And then all we're going to do, quite simply, is drill. 3.5 millimeter drill bit. Slow and steady. Now you want to make sure you get it lined up pretty good. And remember, this is just a dummy port. It's just a gimmick anyways. So all you do is just drill. And you can see we've got a little bit of metal forming there. Okay. Let's drill some more. Okay, a little bit of metal forming. I think everything probably still works. We are crunching the screen a bit, so that's, oh, okay, there we go. We're good. Taptic engine's still working. All right, let's continue. Don't miss and put the drill through your hand. That's really bad. Sorry about that. Okay, let's keep drilling. Oh! Oh, man. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, going quite deep now. Keep going. Yeah, just want to keep drilling. Pretty far. Here's some crunches. That's not a big issue. We just want to keep drilling. Boy, that sounds really bad. I don't know why it sounds so bad, but it sounds really bad. Okay, let's pull that out. There's some iPhone guts in there. Let's go a little deeper. Oh, that's sharp. Be careful. Okay. All right. Let's just take it out of the clamps. And oh, it's still working. Look at that. That's how we add a headphone jack to our iPhone. Yeah, I did it in the speaker. Hey, how about that? Sounds pretty good. Very simple to do. All you need to do is drill. And it looks a lot better now. Looks way, way better. Way better. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I really enjoy making these videos. I can't do it without you guys. I can't do it without your subscriptions. And I can't do it unless you stay classy. So stay classy, my friends.